Что, ребята, миллионы людей ждали и верили, что это когда-то произойдет. Вот оно и произошло. Смотрите.
Too fucking clean. You told me get a job and you asked where the hell I've been. And I'm too perfect, so I open my big mouth. I want to be me, is that all about? And I'm too clever, and then I'm too fucking dumb. You hate it when I cry and it's just that time of the month. And I'm too perfect to show you that I'm not 1,000 people I could be for you, and you hate the fucking law.